Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Friday's Assembly. This morning I'm going to read a story to you, and this story is about lockdown. I know that some of you that are homeschooling and aren't able to come into school might be finding it really tough not being able to see your friends or go out to play. So let's see what happened to Lucy in Lucy's in Lockdown. Lucy Pear's hair has turned dark blue today. All she wants to do is go out and play. She's sad, angry, and doesn't understand. Everyone's home in the whole entire land. She has to stay home and not go to school. Mum tries to teach while Dad potters with tools. It's so frustrating being home all day, but it's to make the virus go away. Brad is annoying and is always there. He noticed the change to red in her hair. She looks out and sees the postie go by. Her hair turns green and she understands why. She looks through the window, gives him a smirk. She knows he is out there having to work. She can't help feel jealous, angry and sad, and even sometimes a little bit glad. Thank goodness for tech, she thinks to herself. A video chat is good for her health. Her phone rings and she sees Maxie Bear's face. He knows what to say. The same in this case. It's fine to feel these feelings. I do too. It's important to know it's not just you. The world is going through this together. Remember that it won't last forever. Your mum, your dad, and your brother, Brad too, they're all feeling the same, red or green or blue. Don't bottle them up, but always show it. You'll be back to school before you know it. And remember, Lucy, I'm always here. Although not in person, please do not fear. And please don't forget what I always say. It's okay sometimes to have a blue day. I want you to have a think after hearing that story. In this lockdown, what colour is your hair? Is it red for angry, green because you're envious because you can't go outside like some people might be who are going to work and those that are coming to school? Have a think. And while you're at home learning, what colour is your hair then? And I want you to have a think. What is it that you are missing the most during these really challenging times? And lastly, what is it that you're really looking forward to doing when this is all over? As with Lucy, it's really important that if you are feeling a little bit down or a little bit sad or a little bit anxious because you can't do the things that you normally do and you don't quite understand what's happening, please remember you can always talk to the adults at home, whether that's mum or dad. You can pick up the phone and you can talk to your friends. And remember, your teachers are always here if you want to talk to them too. You can even contact me. I will be more than happy to speak to you to try and help you during these really difficult times. Now, I have been looking at the learning on Google Classroom, and I just want to say how impressed I am with the work that you've all been doing at home. I've had a look at every single year group, and I'm so proud of how hard you are trying and carrying on with your learning whilst you're at home. I'd also like to say as well how proud I am of the children that are coming into school as well, because they're trying hard too with their learning. It's really important that we carry on with our learning so that we're not going to get too far behind when we can eventually come back to school. So well done to every single one of you. Keep it up. I'd also like to say Big thank you, and I would like you to say a big thank you as well to anyone that's been helping you with your learning at home, whether that's your mum, your dad, an older brother or sister, or your grandparents. Because I know that it can be difficult with the learning when you don't have a teacher to ask. So I would like you to say a big thank you to all of those people that have been helping you with your learning, because we need to remember that it's really difficult for adults as well as children during lockdown. And my challenge to you is I would like you to do something nice for somebody who's helped you with your learning this week over the weekend. It could be something as simple as making a cup of tea, making their breakfast, or drawing them a picture. So have a think and let me know what you've done to really show your appreciation for all the people that have been helping you. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye bye.